Hello everyone, in this video I am going to explain the C question which is comes in recently Codeforces round 748 I guess. Yes, 748 in div 3 round. The question name is save more mice. Okay, so basically you can read the what is problem statement. I am quickly explain what is it is asking actually. Okay, okay, this is the mouse problem. Yes, I'm going to explain this problem statement. mm, mm, okay, here it is. Oh, sorry. Okay, I'm just clear this. I'm clearing this canvas now. Please clear canvas. Yes, basically what you are given is, you are given a coordinate like this, and you are given a some point which is denoting like value, and here is a hole actually, like a rat hole. So rat can hide in this hole, a rat hole. This is at the nth coordinates. So you need to find like actually in this question you are given the k mouses over over these coordinates like x1 x2 up till overall there are k coordinates. So you need to find after that these mouse are there is also a cat also here is a cat. And what you need to do, you need to do in one move, uh, a rat can move one step. After that you move a rat one step, you need to move the cat one step also. Okay, so after moving that the cat is also moving one step ahead. So you need to find how many mouses can reach to the hole. And one more thing here is given, that if the cat reaches to the till any of the rat, it will eat actually them. Okay, if a cat reach before not like let's say this mouse is still here, and but the cat already reached this point, so there is no way to consider this mouse, and the cat will reach out and this will finish. After that you need to find actually how many maximum rat can be reached in any step, but you need to find the many how many maximum number of rat can be reached till the end position. So in one step a rat move one step ahead, and after that the cat moves also one step ahead. Let's say take the first example from this test case. You are given six rat over here, and the coordinate of these rats are actually, let's say I am drawing this. Okay, so these are the rat x coordinate. Let's say what we are given is, we are given the coordinate is 4 5 4 by 2 5 by only 1, and then 7 and 8 and 9. Okay, the first coordinate of rat is 4 and there are basically 2 rats on the 4 coordinate. So I am just writing like this. After that one rat at the 5 coordinate, like 5 position. After that at 6, not 6, but at the 7 and 8. Yes, 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 it is right. And after that there is 7 and there is 8 and 9 also. I'm sorry for the bad handwriting, because I'm writing using mouse. No, not mouse but trackpad. Okay, I don't have mouse actually, that's why. So the coordinate of that hole is given in the this test case is actually 10. So you need to find the how many rat can save, like rat will reach before before the like cat will reach before them. Okay, so you need to find so we can say that here is cat is starting position and this is the rat position. So we can say that the while the first rat we can solve using this greedy approach, because we like we want like at the end position, like the endest position, not endest but the last position mouse present, we need to like reach first of all them, because that's why we can get the maximum number of count to reach all the mouse till the last position here. Okay, so basically we will doing that, like every last every mouse which is present at the last index, we will we want to reach them first. That's why this is a greedy approach actually. So what we are doing is we can do that, like first of all we send we bring the the last mouse at the hole position. So we can say that the first mouse we want to like bring near the hole is 9, because it is the nearest position for us. So that's why we choose 9. So in one step it is reached at hole, because 10 minus 9 is actually 1. So in one step it will reach at the hole position. So after one step, what is the position of cat is? Position of cat also at 1, because it will also move, while this moves one step and cat also moves one step. After that this is finished, our count is the count is basically maximum number we can like send all the mouses. Initially it is 0 and now it is going to 1, because we bring one mouse near the hole. Okay, we can see the second mouse, the position of the second mouse is 8. So what we will do, we will actually do actually in the 2 step ahead, like we will bring this 2 step ahead. After that the position of cat is equals to 3, and this will reach at the hole position. So our count will become now is 2. After that we can see the position of the like last mouse is 7, and the position of cat is 3 actually here. So we can say that the position of this greater than the position of cat, so we can bring this to the hole. So we can say that the after like 3 step ahead it will reach the whole location, like the whole location. So we can say that the now the cat position will become is 6. So we can say from here, while cat reached at 6, it will eat both of them. Yes, so we can say that after there is no like though no sense to moving ahead to check whether it is reached like near the hole or not, because it is already at all the mouse which came like previous the cat position. So we can say that the answer for this case is 3. So what we can do here is we can do like we can maintain the cat position and the ith. We can basically these things are given in basically asked to non sorted manner. So we can actually doing the sorting and get the all sorted index of mouse, and we choose the maximum like nearest mouse which is present near the hole. So we choose that and trying to reach that mouse to the hole. So we can say that from here is we can maintain a like loop and count whether this ith mouse location is greater than cat position. So we can simply increase our counter, otherwise we will directly return from here. So now I can show you the code here. I am just copying the code. What is code? This is basically the code actually. This is nothing but I am just writing here. So you can see that I am just taking the input from here. Okay, I have just taken the input from here, and after I am like I define these things in global manner. So that's why I choose like clear of vector and resize that vector of a size. Okay, and after that I am taking the input of the all the position of the mouse, and after that I am just doing the sorting. Okay, so I have done the sorting. After that I am iterating the for loop for checking whether like I am just maintaining the position of the cat, and I am just taking the input like value of I, which is like give me the how many like mouse will take to the hole itself. Okay, so what is the position will increase after each step? The position will increase by n minus a array of I. Let's say, because let's say look into this while I am here, I am just doing the 2 step ahead. So that's why I am increasing the 2 step in my cat position. So this is basically same actually. I am just running the check function whether like it will give me the position is lesser than or not. I am just checking this thing. After that, if this will not give me the true, and I am instantly break the loop and directly write the output from here. So this is basically code for this question. So I hope this thing you like in this video you will understand this question. Okay, next video I am going to solve the next question. Okay, thank you. If you like the video, please consider the like button or subscribe to the channel for more updates. Thank you. Bye.